Vara Prasad, many congratulations to you for your selection for the PhD program that we want to discuss with full scholarship in the US. So why don't you
Thank you,
introduce
sir.
yourself and then tell us about your academic and non-academic background?
Good afternoon, all. My name is Prasad. I completed my BTech
When
from
I
GMR
say
Institute of...
Vara Prasad, so how does, I have no knowledge about it.
no problem, sir. This is correct only.
Okay.
Right way to pronounce. Yeah. I completed my bachelor's from GMR Institute of Technology in mechanical engineering.
Okay.
It's with a CGPA of 8.5.
Okay.
Then after completing my bachelor's, I prepared for the GATE examination and qualified in it and secured a JRF position at NIT Puducherry.
And Puducherry. And where is your hometown?
My hometown is in Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam. That is, I think, port. Very famous
Yeah.
port. Okay.
I worked as a JRF for 1 year. Then after completing my tenure, I started searching for MTech position.
Okay.
Then as I previously qualified for GATE exam, I can enroll for MTech in NITs and IITs.
Mm-hmm.
And I got into NIT Andhra Pradesh.
All right.
In manufacturing engineering.
Manufacturing.
There I completed my course with a CGP of 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Then during my tenure as a JRF, I inspired from my professor that he inspired me like, you can do PhD. And he said that there are very few researchers working on this topic.
Okay.
In India also.
So tell me about your Prasad, about your research that you did in MTech and as being a JRF fellow.
I worked on a topic called as assembly automation.
Assembly automation. Okay.
Which will improve the worker efficiency and safety in the assembly line. Actually, we try to automate this process first by taking all the CAD data, actually computer-aided design data, what we draft in the computer, and we will import that data into the software, and we will extract all the necessary information, like how to assemble these parts one by one. Actually, most of the time, like the user have to individually define these steps. Like this, the designer should himself take care of this. Like we have to assemble one part of the another one, so that it will assemble correctly without any technical difficulties for the worker.
Okay.
So instead of what we try to achieve is, instead of doing this manually, we try to automate this because there will be human errors. If we human to do that, so we try to automate that, which will increase the efficiency basically. And if we combine this with mixed reality and augmented reality, it will enhance the worker efficiency much more. Like it will show the parts which are sharp or which are conductive. Like in case of electrical, if it is electrical wiring or something, it may be hazardous if the line is active. Basically, with mixed reality, thing, it will show that this line is live and you cannot touch it with bare hands, and the safety procedure you have to take this to assemble this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Basically, we try to achieve the first part. We have tried to automate this process of giving the assembly sequence to the user.
Okay.
This is the project given to my professor to automate this process.
Yeah, you might have some funding, I think, from somewhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
We completed this project, and during my MTech, I tried to extend the work and improved the work, and then I has inspired me to do PhD.
I remember that you published the paper too. Talk about that.
Yes, sir.
It's very interesting paper.
We published an article on the work we have done there.
Yes.
It got into a good journal. Actually, we published 2 articles.
Okay.
During JRF, I published 1 article, what we have done there. And during my MTech session, I extended the work. I improved the work.
Wow.
Like it usually take 1 day or 2 days to complete the work. During my MTech, I increased the efficiency to 1 or 2 hours.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah. While searching for this, actually similar work is done by my future prospective supervisor also.
Okay.
They work similarly.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and so I came across his work and I contacted him.
Mm-hmm.
And he's also very much interested in my work and
Mm-hmm.
supported me. That he encouraged me to apply for the PhD position as well.
Mm-hmm. True. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we tried for the spring session. Unfortunately, there are no PhD positions right there. So
Okay. Yeah. Tell me which university got accepted and what is the scholarship award and all that.
yeah, I got fully funded position at Wayne State University in industrial engineering.
Very nice. Excellent.
Actually, it covers full tuition fee, stipend with a graduate teaching assistantship and medical insurance as well. It covers that one as well.
Yes. Okay. Have you done your housing preparation yet, or
we are in talk with that housing
process?
department actually. You have to take lease for at least 9 months or so.
The 9 months lease. Yes. Excellent. I remember that we already have last year student from Wayne State.
Yeah, I saw the videos.
Yes. Maybe you can couple with him. Maybe he can help you with
Housing,
housing and some initial transition is very important.
My professor is very friendly, sir. Actually, he contacts of a few students as well.
Okay. What's his
Like,
name?
Jeremy, sir. Professor Jeremy.
Professor Jeremy. Right. Okay. Excellent. So what do you want to do after completion of PhD? What's your motivation?
I want to work as a professor in IIT, sir.
What
I want to establish my own lab and inspire more students and try to solve the problems. Actually, in the next 20 or 30 years, India will become a manufacturing hub. Actually, Made in India initiative. So many industries will come and they have to improve their work efficiency and all these things.
Okay.
Definitely, this mixed reality and augmented reality will come into play in these industries.
True.
So I want to solve these problems.
You said that you want to come and get this IIT stuff, professor or assistant professor. Why India? Why don't you want to stay in US and explore the you want to come back to India?
Yes, sir. India will be the future of manufacturing, for sure.
So you want to explore. Very nice. Otherwise, many students, they say, well, I want to stay in the US for a long, many years.
I want to stay with my parents as well. There's double benefit for me.
Do you have siblings also at home?
Yes, sir. Younger brother.
What he is doing?
He completed Pharmacy recently.
Oh, okay. The pharmaceutical background.
Yes.
Okay. Maybe he can get inspiration from you also. Let's talk about this process. It becomes sometimes cumbersome and tedious, right? Shortlisting universities, a scientific CV, scientific SOP, LOA.
Obviously, you helped a lot, sir, in the SOP and all these things. Basically, you gave the forms I have to fill first, the basic questions about my background, how I completed my master's and undergraduate program. Based on that, you drafted a SOP. Then we refined it. And we submitted it to the universities. It's helped me a lot, sir. Actually, if I try to do it on my own, I will have missed the structure and base some of the points actually.
Yes, very crucial
Because
point.
many students will think we can do it on our own from internet, but
Mhm.
there will be some feeling like we missed something. That sort of feeling will be not there if you give it to you.
Yes,
You
yes.
helped me in that problem a lot.
I agree, Prasad. It's a very competitive word these days, and scientific SOP is a way that you presenting your mini biography
Yeah.
in 2 pages to someone to inspire, maybe so that they can interact with you for
Yeah.
the interview or just offer you a PhD position. Yes, I agree with that. Yes. So before that, I forgot to ask, how did you get to know about us, our mentorship platform?
Through YouTube videos, sir.
With you only, okay. It's
Yeah.
online. It's the first time I'm meeting you.
Yeah.
How did you trust that, well, this is online, it may never exist?
The testimonials from many students.
So that is the, okay,
Yeah.
very nice. Let's talk about expense. How much you spent, what examination did you take till you get selected?
I prepared for GRE and TOEFL.
Okay.
Like both will cost around 50 to 60K, right, sir? Then I prepared on my own mostly for GRE and TOEFL as well. I prepared on my own. I didn't go to any coaching centers. It would be beneficial if I could have attended those, but
I think self-study is fine too.
yeah.
And what were your scores?
In GRE, I secured around 312, sir.
Which is good score.
And in TOEFL, it is 102.
Oh, excellent score. Yes. Yeah. Nice. And what about the total fee for the applications and total expense you had?
For applications, you spend a lot, like around 1 lakh, and every time if you want to send the GRE scores to the university, around $30 for each university and $20 for TOEFL. Every university will take around 8,000 to 7,000, 7 to 8,000. Including this GRE and TOEFL, it will take 10,000 per university on average.
Yes, it's been not been easy for you, I guess.
Yeah, actually, basically my research topic is very few professors are working on this topic, so we have to contact multiple professor and submit application to multiple universities. Yeah, it's a tedious process. But your background check made it easy, sir.
Yes.
You have shortlisted some universities, right? Out of hundreds and thousands of universities, you shortlisted 10 to 12 universities. Yeah, which is helpful. Yeah.
Yes.
Basically, before submitting application, we should contact professors for PhD, sir. That's my opinion. We have to send hundreds of emails to the professors, and very few will respond.
Yes. True.
And some of them said that I am very interested in your work, but we can't provide funding. You can come and work here.
Oh, well, yeah, you're right. In engineering background, it helps. Not always. I mean, there are many students who got selected without any interview. And they just put the application, and you're right. It depends on the field of interest. Your field of interest is like domain is pretty narrow. So I think overlapping becomes not easy, probably.
Yes.
And that's why it took you a lot of efforts to get these things done. But good thing is it is there now, and you want to explore that to your best and publish good papers. I would say work hard, and all facilities will be there. And then maybe one postdoc, maybe from top 10 to top 20 universities, like the way you will produce your work, and you have been doing very good work, I would say. And maybe start finding position in IITs in India that you wanted, that you want in future, and then you come and help in the initiative of Make in India done by Modi ji. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I wish you all the best. Now you already have I-20 DS-160 done. and we are waiting for the slots to open. And we're
Yes.
gonna help you with the, a visa mock and all that. Couple of sessions
Yes.
will be okay. Visa will be done, I think. And what date your program is starting?
27th of August. Sir.
Yeah, so maybe second week, I think probably you'll go and start your
Yeah.
PhD program. Any message that you wanna give to students, and you wanna say a few things for our mentorship efforts?
Yes, sir. I want to say that if you don't want to take the burden whole burden on you, you can contact Parmar sir. He will help you a lot.
Thank you.
He will shortlist the universities for you and draft the SOP, best SOP, you can say. Yeah, that's it for me, sir.
So thank you so much, Vara Prasad. We will connect once slots are open. I think we'll get to know, and you can also follow. I would say Twitter for Hyderabad.
Updates, sir.
See,
Yeah, sir.
they will tweet.
Yeah, recently tweeted, sir. They said in May 20 they are opening the slots.
Yeah, so May 20 they're opening, and just keep on checking that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And there will be people also, they will make a havoc, pay this much money, pay this much money, I will give you slot. Do not get
Yeah.
trapped. Just I keep saying, no need to rush. You have waited whole 1 year, just be patient. And you will get slot sooner or later. Your PhD program visa will get accepted. Your field of is like that. Just be patient. I keep telling students. All right. And we're gonna help
Yes.
you with that. I wish
Thank
you
you,
all the best, and we'll connect you soon.
Thank you, sir. Soon,
Take
sir.
care.
See you soon, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.